Are you searching for a automatic pet feeder and water fountain? Then this is a product for you. So first I'll unbox it and then I'll show it in action. Okay, first I'll show the unboxing. Okay, this is everything that it comes with. It comes with an instruction manual. Okay, so this is assembling the feeder part. You simply just slide everything on and snap that on there, and this is what it looks like put together. And you also have a nice stainless steel bowl here that slides in. So that is the food portion, and to set up the water portion, you simply just slide the filter in here. So this ensures that the water is nice and clean. And then this is the pump, which suctions on the bottom and tube here. And the feeder comes with two different options. It comes with either a backup battery option, and it also comes with a power option as well. So that is all the setup. So you can see that I have my water fountain here, and I have my feeder here, along with my power supply brick. So this has two USB ports on it, and you can simply just plug both into that. So next I'll show it with water and food and my cats. Okay, this is what it looks like all set up. So you can see that I have the food on the left and the water on the right. And what's super nice about these is that they are clear, so you can see exactly the level in each one. And the water fountain produces a very consistent flow. And this also comes with the ability to connect to your phone with an app. And that allows you to feed them. And you can see that it is super easy, and you can change the amount of food that you give them. So I'll do 2 units here. And you can see it evenly distributes the food. You can also set a meal plan, so you can set it for whatever you would like. So I have 8 a.m., 12 p.m., and 8 p.m. And you can easily add more days and pick which days you have and the amount of feed. So the other thing that you can see is you can see when you have fed them and the history of the feeding. So this was super easy to set up. If you are looking for a automatic pet feeder and water fountain, then I highly encourage that you check this product out.